All right, Eric, as I mentioned before, I was putting together a financial package that was going to make sense to you and your family. So this is what I've come up with. So going over this right now, you can see that your current down payment is $1,000, 565 a month, 60 months, and 7.8%. So what I've included here is we do have our MPP Platinum coverage. This covers you for 5 years, 75,000 miles, and it does include wear and tear coverage. It's going to give you a $100 disabling deductible, which basically means is if you bring the vehicle back to us in the event that you have an issue, you're not going to have a deductible here, so it won't cost you anything out of pocket. However, you are able to bring it to any ASE certified mechanic repair shop, and in the event that you do have to do that, the most it's going to cost you is $100 out of pocket. This includes 24 hours, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, roadside assistance and towing, as well as rental car reimbursement, $35 a day up to 10 days. So in the event that your vehicle is deemed to be inoperable due to a failure, a failed part, we're going to actually give you the $35 a day up to 10 days. So this way you can keep rolling. This is also going to include with our care package that we've bundled up. It's going to give you 3 years, 36,000 miles of oil changes and tire rotations. And going into your vehicle protection, we have included our club. This coverage is going to be for dings and dents. It's going to be for anything really the size of a dollar bill or smaller. If you get that on your vehicle, you can bring it here and we'll get it taken care of for you. The other thing that we're going to have on here, which it includes, is you're going to be replacement on wheels and tires in the event that something goes wrong with one of them. And there is no cost, to that. There's no additional cost. It doesn't matter how much the wheels are going to cost you. We do have key assistance as well as windshield repair. So on the key assistance, in the event that you lose a key or you break a key, you got that covered, as well as your windshield repair, not replacement. So if you do get a rock chip, you can bring it in and we'll get that covered for you. You don't have to worry about it getting bigger or worse. This is all going to be part of the Road Club benefits. The other thing that we have, obviously, to protect a vehicle on the exterior of the vehicle, we have what's called ZacTech Ultimate. This is going to be a biannual detail service. Basically, what it's going to do is it's a polymer-based coating that gets applied by a human being. It gets buffed into the paint, and what it protects against is going to be, love bugs, tree sap, acid rain, fallout, any type of industrial fallout. It's going to help keep the luster of your vehicle, which is going to help you preserve the future value of your vehicle when it comes time to trade in. The other thing is that gets bundled up with our ZacTech interior. Now this is a one-time application that gets put onto the interior of the vehicle. This is going to protect you against stains on the inside, any UV damage that you might get on the dashboard from the hot Florida sun. This gets put on there and you won't have to worry about that. If any damage happens, ZacTech will go ahead and pick that up. Now, as far as total loss protection, I know that's something that we touched on before. We do have what's called KAHU. Basically what this is a vehicle recovery service. So in the event that your vehicle is stolen, KAHU is there to help you recover it and get it back to you. And they feel so strongly that they're able to do that in such a timely manner that they actually put a 30-day guarantee on it. KAHU says that if they don't recover your vehicle within 30 days, they're going to give you $5,000. Now, the way that money gets dispersed is you get $2,500 in a check sent to you in the mail, and then they're also going to issue a $2,500 credit for you at the dealership that you purchased from to try to help you kickstart getting into a new vehicle so you're not having to come out of the pocket a whole bunch. This also gets bundled up with our KAHU 5000 upgrade, and what this is going to allow you to do is be able to use your smartphone to create a geofence. And basically what that means is in the event that your vehicle is stolen, if it leaves the certain proximity that you have preset, you're going to get a notification so you know even faster that something's going on with your vehicle. One last thing, obviously, in vehicle protection is your gap insurance. Now, we talked about that before. In the event of a total loss, your insurance company is only going to pay your actual cash value. They're not going to pay whatever your loan amount is, right? That's between you and the bank. So what gap insurance does is in the event of a total loss, the vehicle can be paid up to 150% of the loan value. Gap insurance picks up whatever the insurance company doesn't. Okay, so this way you don't have to worry about not only did you lose your car, but you're still having to make a payment because you owe more than what the vehicle's worth. Now, I wanted to talk about one last thing, and that's protecting your family. Now, this is a financial package that's supposed to make sense to you and your family. So one of the things I wanted to go over is asset protection and income protection. Now, in the event of your death, which God forbid that happens, but in the event of your death, if there is a loan still on the vehicle, Asset Protection is actually going to come in, they're going to pay off the remaining balance, and they're also going to pay off any unearned interest to your family in the event of your death. It's also going to give you some income protection. So in the event that you're sick or injured and you're not able to go to work, the income protection will actually continue to make your car payments for you, so you don't have to worry about that. It is after 14 days, but it does retro back. So on the 14th day, you can turn around and you can sign up for it. It's not a loan. You don't ever have to pay it back. The only thing that they require is that you be under a doctor's care. Okay, so this is what I have set up for you in your financial package right here. And if you look right here with your same $1,000 down, your new payment would be $645 a month. Your term still stays at 60 months and your APR is 7.8%. Now I have come up with a couple other options for you as well. If you wanted to put a couple extra grand down, this would actually lower that monthly payment by $40, making it $605. And then if you even went one step further, you can actually put an extra $3 grand down. And that'll lower this new payment $60 a month. So you'd be at about a $585 payment. So just take a look at this, look it over, and circle which one works best for you, and then I'll get all your paperwork going.
All right. I mean, $1,000 is fine, of course. I'm just not comfortable with that $645 a month. I just, you know, maybe if I can do something in this realm here, like $605, but I can only do $1,000 a month.
I understand, and out of all this stuff, you obviously find some value in it. So the money down is $1,000 down. We don't want to put anything else down. I know you said that you had some money saved up in the savings account. Why not just put it to work for you since it's not really doing anything?
I mean, when you put it that way, I think that I can do an additional $2,000 down $605 a month.
Okay, so if we do the extra $2,000 down $605 a month, we're good to go, right?
Yeah.
All right, just give me a signature right here, and then I'll get all your contracts completed. Congratulations, Eric, on your purchase. It's been a pleasure doing business, okay?
Let's do it.